Hello everybody, I'm Jennifer Bell with Bell Marketing, and in the following video I'm just doing a product unwrapping. Now this is a Facebook Live, but I just wanted to share because it's kind of hard to remake it now that I did it on the live. But I just want to show different products that we can use for our online marketing business. And if you are online, you might have heard sometimes you need to buy products that are aftermarket, like webcams or microphones, just to help you look the best and sound the best that you can during your lives and live streams. So this is just an idea of things that I'm using. Now obviously I've never used an aftermarket webcam before, so I've got to learn how to use it, learn all the different features about it, but hopefully this will just help me just look even better, really as good as possible during my lives and sound really good, because it's a combo unit. And for anyone that is looking to work online or is working online but isn't making any money, I would love to talk with you about what I'm doing, about the step-by-step blueprint. It's fail-proof that I'm using to help me earn an income while I'm learning how to brand, market, and network. And so, a lot of times we have to cold message, we have to cold call people. There's a certain amount of number of recruits that we have in order to at least get our product or service free or start making an income. Well, what this does is that it takes away that stress of having to worry about those monthly recruits and those sales, and then you still get to earn. So I'd love to chat with you about it. And if you find any value during this video, if you have any questions, please just comment below. You can hit the like button if you like it, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell for all notifications. I do videos every Sunday. There will be various videos about products I'm using, tips that I have, and just everything dealing with my online marketing journey. So I hope you find value in this. If you have any questions, like I said, comment below, and I hope you enjoy this. Okay, everybody, I'm going to make this quick. For anybody that's in business, we know we always got to invest in our business. We got to invest in ourselves. Hopefully there won't be too many notifications to be distracting. But so I learned that it's really a good idea to get an outside, like an aftermarket webcam. And also my microphone went out on my laptop. So I just felt it was a good idea to just try and buy something that could bring me that back. Because obviously I want to be able to do live streams and all that. And then I want my webcam to produce a better image of myself, be kind of like brighter and more clear. So I got one, but we are going to see how this works, because I've never used one like this before. It is an all-in-one. Now, if anybody's used one before, in case this doesn't work, you're always welcome to put in the comment section what brand you use, because I'm always open to trying new ones. I started small just to kind of get the idea of it, and then I can always build up to a better one, like a more expensive one. But I just want to at least get one. Well, it's supposedly supposed to be. My husband actually bought it for me because I told him I was looking for one, and he's kind of the more technology advanced. So we're gonna see. This wasn't too expensive, but like I said, I just wanted to kind of see how it works and all of that. So I have no idea what I'm looking at, but we're going to find out fairly soon. It's supposed to have a microphone and a webcam. I do not know about this stuff, I'll be honest, but I'm going to learn. It's always a good idea to learn about this kind of thing when you're in business, because in that way, if you have recommendations, you have a team, you want to be able to learn about it. And so then there's this too. So I'm going to learn how all this works. But hopefully it will give me a better when you're looking at somebody on a webcam, and then sometimes I noticed a difference. Well, I guess like when I was looking at my mentors and I was looking at mine, hers was much more crisp, much brighter, and mine was kind of like a little more faded, a little more dark. And so that's kind of the reason I wanted one. And I just figured it was perfect to get one that's already got a microphone. I don't know if it's better to buy them separately, but why not? I can always kind of give that recommendation just to not buy one. So it's not really money that's wasted, because in that way I could just explain to someone else, like maybe it's not the best idea to buy an all-in-one. But we're going to see how this works. Hopefully it will. Hopefully I will finally be able to do my live streams again, because I do have a desktop, but it's just the way it's positioned in our house is just like really dark, and that's really the only room we have for it. And I need to buy another ring light. So hopefully this will be a little bit better for me. And I hope you guys all have an amazing April Fool's Day. Like I said, if you have any suggestions on a brand that you use for outside webcam or microphone, I do have the, oh gosh, I can't even remember the name of it. Owl. oh shoot, I can't even remember it. It was like $350. Maybe a lot of you guys know what I'm talking about. I can't remember the name of it. So I do have a really good microphone, but it's just trying to learn how to use the buttons, how to use all the functions on it. It's just really confusing for me because my brain just, you know, it's a very fancy microphone. But just until then, I'm also looking at one of those ones that clips on your shirt, the battery operated. So if you guys know a good brand for that, that would be good too, just in case I'm like out wandering around. I love sightseeing. So hi Leanne, how are you? I appreciate you guys watching. I just wanted to unbox this because I'm really in a rush to start using this and see how it works, see if it provides me a better webcam picture for myself and be able to actually do my live streaming. So hopefully this will work out for me. And I hope you guys all have an amazing month. March flew by. I don't know who else noticed it, but this was like literally the fastest month ever. And so I'm planning on enjoying it as much as possible, learning, growing, building my business, building myself. But yeah, I will see you guys all later. I'm getting ready to go head out and buy some bikes. We need bikes, so we want to be able to get out and ride bikes together. And we're planning on going camping in a couple weeks, so we want bikes for that. We need 3. So yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do. So I hope you guys all have an enjoyable rest of your day. And let's crush this month, guys. Bye.